Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Monday.com columns. Monday.com is a powerful work operating system that allows teams to manage and track their work in a customizable and collaborative way. Columns are a fundamental component of Monday.com, enabling users to organize and display data in a clear and structured manner. To start using columns in Monday.com, first create a new board or open an existing one. A board is a visual representation of your workflow, and columns are the vertical sections that make up the board. Each column represents a specific stage or attribute of your workflow, such as task status, priority, or assignee. To add a new column, click on the plus icon at the top right corner of the board and select the type of column you want to add. Monday.com offers a variety of column types, including text, date, number, and drop-down. Choose the column type that best fits your needs, and give it a descriptive name. Once you have added a column, you can start populating it with data. To add an item to a column, simply click on the cell where you want to add the data and start typing. You can also use the autocomplete feature to quickly select from a list of existing values. One of the powerful features of Monday.com columns is the ability to customize the column settings. To access the column settings, click on the three dots at the top of the column and select Settings. From here, you can adjust the column width, change the column type, and add conditional formatting rules. Conditional formatting allows you to highlight specific values or trends in your data, making it easier to identify patterns and make informed decisions. For example, you can set up a rule to highlight tasks that are overdue or assignees who have a heavy workload. To take your columns to the next level, use formulas and integrations to automate your workflow. Monday.com offers a range of formulas and integrations with popular apps, such as Google Drive and Trello. Use formulas to calculate values and perform data analysis, and use integrations to connect your board to external data sources. Best practices for using Monday.com columns include keeping your columns concise and focused on a specific attribute, using descriptive names and labels, and regularly reviewing and updating your column settings. By following these best practices and using the features and functions outlined in this tutorial, you can unlock the full potential of Monday.com columns and take your workflow to the next level.